Now we've got our pasta rolled, the first pasta that we're going to do is a tagliatelle. So to start off with, I'll just find half of this, just so that we can just slice it in half. And with the section that we're not going to be using right now, we'll put that to one side and we'll keep that covered with a towel. So that will stop it drying out. I've got a chopping board for this. Often with machines like this, you'll get an attachment that goes with it as well, which has cutters for tagliatelle and thinner ones for more like kind of spaghetti kind of size. I don't really use that generally. I quite like cutting pasta like this by hand. It gives it that more kind of rustic feel and slightly more homemade, and it makes it yours. So to do that folded out again that I did just then, if you just let the pasta lay on the board and you can drape it across and just concertina it as you're going down. And then from there, if you just fold it in, get all of the sheets and just fold it in half like this. Now if we get our knife and we can just, the thickness that we want it to be, so I'm going for kind of just under 1 centimetre in thickness. And then as you pull that apart, that's where you've then got your beautiful tagliatelle strands. Now you've got your tagliatelle. You want to leave this to dry for around about 15 or 20 minutes till it starts to feel a little bit leathery to the touch. And then when you cook it, it'll be a lot better, and then we'll cook it into a beautiful tagliatelle carbonara.